Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn on game mode on your laptop or your PC. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you will have to head over to the settings of your computer. To do that you can simply click on this search bar on the bottom left corner and then type for settings, or you can simply tap on that menu on the bottom left and then hit that gear icon just above power options. Now once you're on this page, you'll be able to find a section of gaming. Right here you'll have to click on it, and after that you'll be able to find three options on the left side under the gaming section, and you'll have to click on game mode. Now by default it may be turned off, and if you want to turn it on you can simply toggle this option on, and you can also click on learn more about game center, and you'll be taken or you will be directed to this page, Xbox support, and right here you'll be able to find further information about the game mode. You can also add games in the game mode. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.